Edupadiya were not fielding today. What could be the reason, sir?
So,
Hugo Gomez and Edupadiya.
okay. The reason is these players injured and it's not possible to play today because they had some problems and it's not 100% to play this match. And we have 4 matches in approximately 2 weeks, and it's necessary avoid to risk with some players. And I am thinking in the next match at home against Bengaluru.
Hello coach, this is Bezos from the board every day. You had key players sitting out this game, one due to suspension, a couple of other foreign players due to injuries, which enforced you to change around players in their playing positions. Was this part of the reason that it took some time for the fielded level to settle down?
Today is compulsory this change because I need to build a new team because the players available is not possible all players playing in their position, and for example change position Brandon and play as midfield, Coro and attacking midfield, and I think the profile of the players, the opponent team, for example 2 central backs, very strong players, very good defensive, is good fix with Mambir these players and to take advantage Coro in the second line. And I think Brandon is possible to play behind Coro. Brandon have a very good last pass and continues working in the same way, keep the ball, not long balls. I prefer use it as a second midfield with Lenin. One player with the profile is attack player. And this is the reason. The reason is the compulsory change, and I am very proud of my players because it's not easy in this circumstance. The performance today show my players. Before the match, we had a big challenge about show all people. This team is a very competitive team, is a very good team above the individualities. And I am very happy for the result, but I am very happy with White to get the result.
Hi coach, as you said, forced positional change for quite a few players. How do you think Brandon played in the midfield for you?
Today is necessary. And before the match, study the opponent team. It's not the same all matches. It's not the same match against Bengaluru, it's not the same match against Chennai. I know Chennai is a very good defensive team, 2 midfields, strong midfields, and with players like Brandon, it is possible to generate problems for these players because if we play quickly, move the ball, with strong players, it's difficult to arrive in these situations. It's not good for them to arrive to the press, my players, and this is the reason. I think Brandon to demonstrate today is possible adapt for the team in different circumstances, and I am very happy because today the players show all people. If it's necessary adaptation to the team over individual situations, and today respond well.
Sir, were you satisfied with Jackie Chan Singh's performance, given the fact he missed easy chances?
For missed chances is very important to create chances. And I think the most important thing is not to finish chances all times. For example, I am very happy with Coro, not only for the goals to score. It's one example. I am very happy with Coro, the assist, as a player is too much scoreboards, but too much assistance with other players. I think Jackie opened spaces for other players. He had very good chances to score, but I am sure in the next match it's possible to get it.
We take the last question.
Possible for Edu Bedian Bumo to be available for the next game?
I hope it's possible to play, but I need 4 days to test these players and decide who is the best for the next match. I hope it's possible to arrive to play the next match.
Coach, it's a rarity that we find Manveer getting a start in the game. How do you assess his performance today?
For Manveer.
Yeah.
Manveer played very well, but not only today. When he had opportunities to play, he showed me it's possible to play very well. Manveer only had one problem, is the competition with the same position is Coro. But today I tried 2 players, it's possible to play together, and the performance of Manveer is very good. But always I told the same. The most important thing is the team. If the team is working well, the individuality is better. For example, in the last season you can see the other players playing with us, very good performance, and playing in other teams is not the same performance. It's necessary good team for the players. It's possible to show the best condition in the team. And Manveer, very good player, but Sheridan today I think is the hero of the match, yes. And the coach of the national team is here. It's possible to see Sheridan is very good player, Lenny is very good player. I hope in the future it's possible more players of Goa playing in the national team.
Three mistakes, really. I think we made 3 errors in front of our own goal, and we gifted 3 goals to the opposition. And consequently missed quite a few chances ourselves to have certainly got back into the game. I think the scoreline flattered Goa a little bit. They had a lot of possession, but most of it was in their own half of the field, and certainly the second half I thought that we dominated the play. We were in their half a lot more than they were in ours, but we gave away two bad goals in the second half, and it's cost us dearly.
Do we have another question?
Do you think it was a big call by the penalty?
I've spoken to our media department, who have had the opportunity of watching it again and again and again, and it's a penalty again and again and again, and I think the referee's made a huge mistake in not awarding us a penalty. Changes the game, you know. You haven't got VAR, have you? No?
Hi coach, Brandon and Manveer played in little different positions than before. Do you think that was like a surprise for you? Or?
It was obviously a surprise that Edu Badir was missing, that he suffered an injury, and we knew that maybe Boomwas might be missing. So we knew, we didn't really know, sorry, should I say up until when the teams were announced, that Badir wasn't going to play. Obviously we knew that Giroud was suspended. But yeah, it was a little bit different. But the national coach was here, so hopefully they've done themselves some favours. Any more? Is that it? Let me off lightly?
Goa usually plays like this in at Baroda. Any different takeaways that you have taken from this game besides the previous encounter?
Any different one?
Takeaways.
No, listen, you know that they're always going to pass the ball, they're always going to keep the ball, and to be fair, I thought we dealt with that very well actually in the first half. Pena and Fall had a lot of the possession, but they're in their own half of the field most of the time and didn't really hurt us with the ball. Obviously Coro's playing a slightly different role tonight. That's not his normal position to play, just behind a front player. He's normally the front player himself, so he didn't really get in the game that much, I don't think, tonight. But you always know that given opportunities, he'll take them. He's crucial to the team. And obviously Sergio's had to move his team around a little bit tonight. But the people that came in have justified their selection for him. And they now give the coach a bit of a headache with regard to the next match, because they all played well tonight, and I think you've got a few tough games coming up. I think you've got 4 games in quick succession, so I don't think Badia and Bumas are going to be back very quickly, so the opportunity has fallen to other players in the squad, and that's what a good squad sport to when you're without some of your best players, that someone else can step up and get in the side, so it's up to them now, I suppose.
Coach, you have majority of new foreigners in there, so
Yes.
see some good signs that they will settle down quickly?
Yeah, some good ones and some bad ones. It's not always easy when you put a team together. Obviously, I spoke in the press the other day about the fact that this Goa team has been together a long time. Even the likes of Manvir, although he's not played a great amount of minutes over the last couple of seasons, he's still been part of the squad. He knows what he has to do when he goes in the team, and it certainly helped Goa having a very settled side that they've had. We're just getting used to one another. I'm getting used to them as well. You know, I've had them now for just over 6 weeks, so I'm getting used to what they do and what they can't do, and trying to get the right balance. It's not always that easy, you know. So I learned a few more things about all my new signings tonight, and we look forward to playing Mumbai in the next match.
Grab a chance to support your favorite team in India Super League. Answer this simple question and 5 lucky winners will win couple passes.
What is the name of FC Goa's social foundation? A. Fossa Goa Foundation. B. Free Goa Foundation. C. For Goa Foundation. Or D. My Goa Foundation. Send in your correct option with your name and taluka on 777 40 444 11. Last date of entries is 27th October 2019 at 11 am.
So Goa, let's football with your favorite channel, Prudent.